In this video, we will show you how to import existing embroidery designs and the available ways to edit and reuse them. First of all, have in mind that you cannot open embroidery files using the Open dialog, as the software can only open draw files. Embroidery files can only be imported as artwork source. Let's see how this works. To import embroidery designs, you first need to enable the embroidery technique. Select fabric type and color, and using the From Embroidery File option, you can browse to select the embroidery file you want. Let's browse to select a design. As you can see, the software can import all sorts of embroidery formats. You can filter by type, or use All Supported to view all supported files. In the Samples folder, we have saved a GIF file to use. When proceeding, the color reduction lists the colors of the original design. You can reduce the design colors and select the thread manufacturer palette. For this design, no color reduction is necessary. So the embroidery file is imported as is. Now you can add text or create extra parts as in any other design. But the imported embroidery are not normal objects. If you select any design part, you will see on the object properties that they are row type. This is not a specific type and you cannot manipulate it. Any normal object that you create has its own properties and can be edited using the node editing mode. The imported embroidery objects, though, don't have stitch properties and cannot be edited using the node editor. Therefore, you can only perform specific editing tasks to those imported embroidery designs. Rotate, slant, resize. While resizing the object, the density is automatically updated to match the new size. If you disable this option, the resized object will have the same number of stitches as the original. You can move and clone the stitch object as well. To fully edit the imported design, you need to convert it into a vector design. To do that, you need to use the Convert to Curves option. The same option is also available in the right-click menu. Now you can start editing the converted part as any normal design. You can change the stitch type, or change the shape of the object in the node editor like any normal design. Have in mind that the Convert to Curves option converts the coordinates of the stitches into a shape. In many cases, you may have an object like this one, which may have unnecessary nodes. If you remove them, you can improve the imported artwork.